Hi everyone, going to do some work on materials today for science. We did lots of work on materials last term, doing some experiments and finding out about the different properties. We're going to think about man-made and natural materials today. Materials. We use wood, metal, plastic, glass and fabric to make most everyday objects. Different materials have different properties. Materials can be natural or man-made. Can anybody remember what we mean by properties of materials? So the properties of materials tell us things like if they're hard or soft, if they're shiny or dull, if they're transparent or opaque, if they're waterproof or not waterproof. And we did some experiments to find out about those things last half term, didn't we? So materials can be natural or man-made, and we're going to find out a bit more about that today. So here are some facts about some materials. Rubber. Natural rubber is made from a runny, milky liquid called latex, which comes from some plants. Most of the world's natural rubber comes from the rubber tree. Things made from rubber are pencil erasers, gloves, birthday balloons, car tyres, swimming caps, and rubber is used because it's strong and it's very stretchy. There's a rubber duck. Stone. Stone is a natural material. It comes from the ground. A few things that made from stone are, I wonder if you can think of anything that's made from stone. See if you've guessed correctly. Buildings, walls, paving stones, concrete. Stone is used as it's very hard and strong. It's resistant to bad weather. That means that it's not worn away easily by bad weather. Okay, so it doesn't dissolve very easily. It doesn't get broken down and rot away very easily. It takes a long time to erode. So erode means when a little bit of it disappears over time, so it kind of rubs away and disappears. That building's made out of stone. Stone walls. Diamonds. Diamonds are a natural material. They come from deep inside the earth. A few things made from diamonds are, I wonder if you can think of anything. Can you remember when I lost my diamond from my ring at school? That was so scary, wasn't it? Luckily we found it. So some things made from diamond are necklaces, rings, earrings, drill bits. Diamonds are used in jewellery as they're very beautiful and sparkly. Diamonds are very hard, so they're used for cutting and polishing other materials. They're used for drill bits because they're so hard as well. It's a beautiful diamond. Wood. Wood is a natural material. It comes from trees. A few things made from wood are furniture, boats, instruments, paper. Can you think of anything else that's made from wood? Have a look around in your house where you're sitting, see if you can see anything made out of wood. I'm looking, I can see my table, I can see my television stand, I can see a reindeer. I still haven't put that away since Christmas. So lots of things are made out of wood. Wood is used as it can be carved into any shape. It's strong and it has a very nice appearance. So appearance means it looks nice. What something looks like is its appearance. Fabric. Fabric comes from plants and animals. A few things made from fabric are, see if you can find something new that's made from fabric. I'm wearing some fabric at the moment. So curtains are made from fabric. Clothes, towels. Fabric is used as it's very light, warm, soft, and it's quite easy to produce. Produce means make. and it's easy to sew as well. That's some tartan fabric, like we found out when we were learning about Scotland. Plastic. I don't like this material. Taking over the world. Plastics are man-made, mostly from oil. A few things made from plastic are balls, bottles, carrier bags. Plastic is used as it can be flexible, hard, rough or smooth. It's also very cheap to produce and easily washable. See if you can think of 2 more things that are made from plastic. I'm having a look and thinking if I can find something else that's made from plastic. Okay, so I can see some wrappers that are made out of plastic. And I can see, do you know what? I haven't got very many plastic things. I can see some plastic tubs, so things for containers for keeping food in. So lots and lots of things in the world are made out of plastic. I bet you've got some plastic toys in your house. Oh, there's some plastic toys on here. All this plastic. This is why I don't always like plastic, because there's so much plastic waste in the world. We need to remember to recycle it. Metal. Now, can anybody remember where we get metal from? We've talked about this before. Metals are made from rocks. The rocks are dug up and taken to a factory where they're heated and processed into a metal. A few things that are made from metal are jewellery, cutlery, cars. Can you think of anything else that's made from metal? Metal is used as it's strong, hard, smooth and easily washable. Metal car there. That's a sheet of metal as well. You can cut metal into lots of different shapes. It's quite flexible. Glass. I wonder if you can remember how glass is made. I remember finding out about this before and it was a pretty interesting fact. Glass is made from very fine sand. It is heated until it melts. A few things that are made from glass are... See if you can remember anything that's made from glass, or can you spot anything in your house? I'm looking around and I can see my fish tank's made of glass. I can see my windows made from glass. Let's see what's on here. Bottles can be made from glass. Light bulbs. Glasses. Glass is used as it's both strong, hard, smooth, easily washable and transparent. I love that word transparent. It's a really good science word. Can anybody remember what it means? Well done. It means you can see through it. And a magnifying glass made out of glass. Well done. So today for your task, I would like you to find some materials around your house that are natural materials and some materials that are man-made. So if you can remember, natural materials are things like wood and wool and rubber, all these things that haven't been produced by humans. And then you've got man-made materials like plastic. So I want you to sort them into groups for me, please. See if you can find things around your house that are man-made and things that are natural. There's also some pictures, so if you can't find things around your house, you can cut the pictures up and put them into the different groups as well. Have fun!